Throw one more.
Throw more. Throw more for the duckies. They're your favorite. Where do you get the food from? Or just random
It's
food?
just the.
Right here.
It's right.
Oh.
Yeah, they have those little stations everywhere.
Hey,
For, like the.
You can feed them the food that they're allowed.
Yeah.
Where's Parvin?
These fish are ready for
Where'd the Parvin go? Here, Maddox, let me get you some food for the duckies. Where did Parvin go? There, Maddox!
You got him some more food?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that and film this at the same time. Like Chris, this is ultimate multitasking. I'm filming him, buying food, and handing it to him all at the same time. Maddox! Maddox! Maddox, look! Yeah, of course, split the booty. No, yeah, take some for him, some. Maddox! Oh yeah, yeah. You want some food for them? Take the food.
No. Throw it.
Go ahead, ready? Yeah, go ahead, feed him. Mom go. Doesn't matter, I got it. Yeah, my sister-in-law, 2 nephews here.
Holly, come here for a minute. He's getting up.
Doesn't matter, don't worry about it. I don't care. Plenty of people do. I don't care. It's just a camera phone. It's not a big deal. I'm out of quarters. Chris, where'd Parvin go? She walks down. She's gonna be without us.
Want more?
More what? Food? I got 1/4 in the beginning, 1/4 here. I don't know more quarters. Do you have quarters, Chris?
I think I do, but they're in the stroller.
Which, of course, Parvin walked off with.
Oh, we got another one right here.
Oh, right there. Well, I'll hold it at 5 minutes. Figure a 5-minute film would be fun. It's amazing how much room our camera phones have. They can film quite a, you know, thing because we've got 8 gigabyte cards.
See those white ones down there? Let's go walk down there and see those white birdies.
No.
Let's go. I got more quarters. Let's go.
We got more money. So Maddox, you like feeding the duckies? Oh, wait, look at Chris. He's behind the grass. Oh look, he found another duck. Oh, he's throwing. What did he throw at him? What was that? Food, I hope. Look, he found another. Look, he found another duck over here. Oh no! Don't throw a stick at him. Oh no! He threw a stick nearby him. Oh no, Maddox! No, don't hit the bird. Maddox, come on! Oh, he's chasing the bird. No, Maddox, you're gonna fall in the water. What? Maddox, no. Come on, come back. Come on, Maddox, we gotta go. Maddox, we gotta go. Come on, Maddox. Let's go.